लोकशाय राजवटीत कोणें कोणाचें समर्थन करूं येता. देखून जेलीत आशिल्ल्या एकाद्र्याक सोडप हो गुन्यांव थारना म्हण वरिश्ठ आदवोगाद नितीन सरदेसाय उलयलो. जाल्यार देशद्रोहाच्या गुन्यांवा खाला अटक केल्ल्या मनशाक सोडपाची मागणी करपी प्लेकार्ड दाखोवप सामकें चुकीचें आशिल्ल्याचें भारताचो डेप्युटी सॉलिसिटर जनरल प्रवीण फळदेसाय सांगता. ऐकात.
We are in a democracy. Article 19 of the Constitution guarantees every citizen of India right to free expression and freedom to express his own views. If you consider this article as a fundamental right, which it is, then for expressing your views on whatever that you want to, so far as you do not offend any law, is permitted. Now I don't see any offence having been committed by the gentleman who aired his view for whatever reasons that he may have to free some person. That is absolutely no offence there.
No matter the subject person is an accused under UAP.
No, he may have committed the worst possible or the most heinous crime on the face of the earth. If somebody comes in support, of course he is yet to be tried. Nothing is proved against him. So if somebody comes in support of him, what wrong does he commit? At the end of the day, that person, whoever that Khalid, he may even be acquitted by the court. So somebody in support of Khalid can be detained for what reason? Where are we? Are we in some dictatorship here?
If anybody wants that person to be free, a legal process has to be followed. They must go to the court. They must prove, or at least prima facie prove before the court that he is innocent, and appeal. Now these all courses have taken, and the court has refused to release. So there is no question of any person standing at any designated place or in a protest and say that accused of such a serious case to be freed just because somebody is demanding on the road. Any person making such demand, there must be some inquiry against that person, and it is certainly, in my opinion, it can constitute an offence also. So police must take action, and whatever action police has taken against him is required to be taken. It's a proper action because it's required.
We have a right to express, but however, we have certain limitations. Ultimately, if this issue would be adjudicated in a court of law, say suppose the police or the administration considers that this issue would make some public disorder or public anarchy or something of that sort, which would lead to a chaos. Now, that would be an independent assessment looking at the situation which the courts of law will have to decide given in those circumstances. But to add to that, as I first said, everyone has a right to express, everyone has a right to put forward his views, everyone can put forward his way of putting it before the general public. However, there are restrictions. If it is within restrictions, there is no problem. But if it is restricted, then the law says you can't express something which would lead to a public disorder.
प्रुडंटा खातीर मुकेश कुमार.